Welcome back, everyone. This is the 5-month update of our ongoing 38-way ceramic coatings, waxes, sealants product longevity test. Once again, we've had a lot of rain in this last month. Pretty average temperatures, but we're getting into the summer months now, so a lot of heat that we'll see coming up. Last 30 days temperature, as well as the lifetime weather, is on your screen now. And as usual, we'll spray this hood down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it, and rinse to inspect all the hydrophobics before we dry everything off. As per usual, check the links in the video description as to where you can buy these products, as it does help the channel out. I also have an awesome spreadsheet with all the info on all these products in the description. If you'd like to support the channel, information about that is on your screen right here. All right, jumping into it. So DriveAuto we knew has failed. ETHOS graphene, that's actually CQuartz UK topped with SIC, and it's doing well. Owner's Pride, looking a little on the weak side. Technician's Choice, which is a very similar product. I won't go as far as saying it's the same product, but it's a very similar product to Owner's Pride. And they look like they are performing a little bit differently, with Tech 580 looking like it's performing better. Jescar Extreme Solutions, those have already failed. IGL Kenzo Graphene, looking all right. 3D and Toyota, those had failed early on. Pearl Nano, both of those are also failed. Hydrocylex, I think we're going to call that one failed. KB Diamond Plus is still going. Well, now Hydrocylex is still going just a little bit. We'll give it a pass this month, but it's weak. Same with the last coat, Black Ice. It's been weak since about the 60-day mark. It's been kind of acting like that, where just a little bit will give away right at the end there. So Turtle Wax, Flex Wax, and Liquid Wax, also known as Max Wax. Looks like Flex Wax is okay. Liquid Wax, we had failed at the 60-day mark. Turtle Wax Seal and Shine, looks like it's doing all right. Showing some wear, but it's still doing all right. Turtle Wax Ceramic Spray Coating, also very weak. And the two Meguiar's products, the dry application and the wet application, both are still weak, but we're still going to give them a pass this month. Down to 303. Kind of both in the same spot there. The old one, I think we originally had marked failed. Sprayway, 7 days. CQuartz UK looking outstanding, as well as CQuartz SIC and CQuartz Light. Soft 99 Fuso, extremely hydrophobic, just like the CQuartz products there. That's the one that's been the most impressive for me so far, because it's you apply it and remove it like a traditional wax. BCC ceramic coating still doing all right, but the ceramic wax, we had marked that failed at the 60-day mark. On to the bottom row, Avalon King. It's HK Tianmi, not JK. I had labeled that wrong. They look like they're doing all right, but again, showing a little bit of wear, but not to the point where we would call it weak. Same with Wierixin 10H and Nanoage, also known as Nanobond. You can see Nanoage, compared to the other three to the left of it, it seems to be performing much better, much more hydrophobic than Avalon King, HK Tianmi, and Wierixin. So on to Jax Wax, looking good, very hydrophobic. Lone Star Ceramic Spray, their pre-production, it looks like, well, actually we called that failed at the 90-day mark, and it's really kind of questionable. And Addendum's Graphene Spray Coating and the Addendum's Graphene Coating. So thoughts? Let me know in the comments what you think. The something's kind of surprising for me. There's Owner's Pride versus Tech 580. Owner's Pride is like a $300 product, professional only. Technician's Choice is $18. And it appears to be that it is outperforming the professional only version of it. So let me know. There's your 5-month update. Again, we're getting into the summer months, so expect lots of rain and lots of heat that this will see. The surface temperatures of this hood will generally exceed 150 degrees. That's something like 50 or 60 degrees, 60 something degrees Celsius. Very hot, to the point where you could cook an egg on this hood in the summertime. It is very true in that instance. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. And here's just for reference, here is the rinse video from the very first rinse, so you can see how things have degraded over time.